Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed about the Scottish person Adams, how he had made inquiry of Indian Pathshala and he found 1 lakh Pathshala in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Today we are going to study about new routines, new rules. The Britishers, after 1854, they started appointing Pandits who look at least 5 Pathshalas and they take care of the Pathshalas, and in local languages the teaching was going on and there was a routine. Everything was fixed. In this, the student have to pay fees every month, and also their teaching, their text were fixed. There was annual exam and the classes were regular. In this way, the English, the Britishers, they started our new type of system of Pathshala, and those who want to run their Pathshala individually, they do not compete with Britishers. In this way, the poor family, the poor farmers' children also started going to the school, and in this way the new routine and new rules were made for giving education. The second topic is the agenda for a national education. Some Indian people, they think that if in our country the education will be provided by Western system, then in our country it will be get modernized and a new thing will be taken in mind, and the children of the country, they will get new idea. That is why they asked the British government to open new school, new Pathshala for the children. And then third is English education has enslaved us. Many reformers of our country, many leaders of our country, they think that if we will follow the English education system, we will become slave of the Britishers. That is why they gave force to educating the students of our country in vernacular languages, in local languages, and they forced to teach the students practical work more, to learn craft, to be independent, to get earnings. They forced, like Mahatma Gandhi, he want that the students should do practical classes, they learn the craft also, and they have to learn our own text, otherwise they will forget our culture. In this way, by following Britishers' education system, we will become the slave of Britishers. These topics were given, and The next we will discuss later. Next topic which is given here is Tagore's Abode of Peace. Tagore, from the beginning, he got education in his house. He according to him, teaching in an area where much noise is there, much mob is there, it is not suitable for teaching. According to him, the area should be peaceful. That is why he had established a school, Shanti Niketan, 100 kilometer far from the Kolkata, and he told that only learning the literature or learning reading and write is not sufficient. He told that the student must learn the creative things, that he can do anything with his mind, and it is possible only in natural surrounding. If he will see how farmers are cultivating, how different type of crops are grown, and also he focus on English system. He had taken some rules, regulation, teachings method of the English also to teach the student. In this way, he focused on the creativeness of the students, which was possible in natural surrounding.